How to unlock everything free in Toca Boca Worlds, scenes, and packs. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you the only working method I've found that gets you everything for free on both iOS and Android devices. First, open up your mobile browser. Now, if you just search on Google for a Toca Boca unlock, you'll get a ton of different websites. Be careful, because most of these are outdated or just don't work. To save you the headache, I'm going to show you the one direct source that is confirmed to be working right now. So, instead of a random search, you need to go to this exact website. Open a new tab in your browser and carefully type in appzut.com. That's appzut.com. This is a curated library for safe game mods and tweaks. Once the website loads, you'll see it has a clean interface with a bunch of different apps and games available. You can scroll around to see what's trending, but to find the Toca Boca mod quickly, the best way is to use the search function. Tap on that search bar at the top, and all you have to do is type in Toca. The system will find it instantly. You'll see the Toca Boca World hack appear as the first result. Go ahead and tap on that to proceed. This next page gives you all the details about this Toca Boca hack/mod. You can see the high user rating, the latest version number, and confirm that it works for both iOS and Android. Once you're ready, just press the Start Download button. Okay, this next part is where the magic happens. It's basically creating a special version of Toca World just for your device. Let this process run until it reaches 100%. Alright, we're at the final step. Before the download completes, you'll see this Unlock Download screen. This is a quick security verification to make sure you're a real person. It's very simple, just follow the instructions on your screen. This is just to prove you're not a bot trying to overload their servers. It's a necessary step to keep the service free. Once your verification is complete, the system will automatically release the download. Now, go back to your home screen and you should see the new modded Toca Boca World app installed. Let's open it up and check it out. The game will begin to load just like normal. And here we are, inside the game. And now for the moment of truth. As I swipe across the world map, you can see that every single location is now fully unlocked and accessible. From the city to the vacation spots, you have everything. This Toca Boca hack/mod gives you the complete game experience for free without having to buy any of the expensive packs or locations from the store. It's all here. Just to be sure, let's enter one of the buildings. And yep, look at all the characters and items we have access to. The Toca Boca mod is a complete success. You can now create any story you want without limitations. So there you have it, the easiest way to unlock everything in Toca World. If this guide helped you, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tips, and share this video. Thanks for watching.